deep blue, never-ending hole. Anakin found a little lure. Show me your lure, Anakin. He's gonna go for that darter fish. Can't see him, but he's.
Where's that darter, sis? Please, make sure to want me to catch mine.
He knows. They're so cool. Little darters. Can you get them? Okay, Anakin found a monster.
Yeah.
This one's like 5 inches long here.
Oh. You taught it, you sit.
Bennett, pull. Woo! Pull it out.
That's mine.
Let's see it.
No.
Whoa, dude.
That's mine.
Let's see.
Dad, did I have that?
You gotta ask Anakin. He caught it.
That's,
Let me see this, dude. This.
And then did I push have it? Yeah.
Okay, this is a wildish fish now. This is a darter. One of the craziest looking little rockfish. Incredible. That is an awesome catch. This is the second one. He shocked me a few minutes ago when he caught the first one. There you go. It's your fishy. Go get another one. It appears he had found another one. See if you can get that lure right on him.
There he is. Hey, it's big.
There's actually another one. I didn't even notice you were going for that one. You get him to bite?
It's here right now.
There's one right here. There's one right there. Woo! He got another one.
Dad, do you want this one?
Yes, I want him. Look how cute he is.
This one.
Wow.
This one's mine. Oh, look.
That's incredible. Look at that. Show me your fish, Wilder. That head is way bigger than the body. Enormous.
Oh, no.
Uh-oh.
Mine got
Oh,
away.
mine got away too. Both our fish got away.
Yeah, both.
Alright, it's alright. Anna can catch more. That one's mine? He had 3 of the darter fish just come up and attack his toes. Like that big old huge one came up and just attacked his toes, and then he would catch him right out from under his. Okay, this one's mine. Big old huge mouth. Things like to eat your toes apparently. They're green and blue. Crazy looking things. Get that really big one. Oh yeah, get that really big one, dude. We ain't messing around. We want him. Get him. Pull him out. Oh, he almost got it. See if we can get that really big one.
This is a real shot.
Woo! He got the big one. Land him.
That one's mine.
I guess they're both pretty big, aren't they? Whoa! Big old green thing. This very fish right here literally swam up and bit you. Which toe did he bite? He went and swallowed your whole toe and stayed there for a while. He kept going like that. He went and swallowed your whole entire toe. And then another one came out and did the same thing. You're crazy little darters. These are awesome. You already caught 6 of them. There you go.
This one's mine, this one's mine. big one was trying to rip off my toes. You notice that?
Yeah, try to rip your toes off.
Hey guys, if you like my video, then like and share. But if you don't like my video, then